Hello friends, this is me LANEIGE. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm going to try Taeyeon's Dear Me makeup, mostly focusing on the long earring look. She's looking like a dream in the MV. Let's start. So I'm going to prep my skin with KLAIRS toner which is quite hydrating. I had these samples lying in my cupboard so I thought to use it. Next, I'm going to apply Ampoule because my skin is very dry these days, and then I'll finish it off with cream. Lip mask for the lips. Now I'm going to apply tone up cream. I almost spilled cream, due to which I applied all the spilled cream on my face, and this is where I messed up. Worst nightmare. I can't wash my face because I don't want to waste the skincare I did. I will try to blend it as much as I can. I literally look like geisha. Thank God my face looks bearable. Now I'm going to apply LANEIGE Glowy Makeup Serum. As I'm blending the serum, the white cast is getting less worse. Thank God. Now I'm going to apply eyebrow mascara. So as I was applying this mascara, I saw little white particles of tone up cream under my eyebrows. I literally started panicking, and my eyebrow mascara was being applied everywhere else other than the hair itself. I don't have blonde mascara to match Taeyeon's eyebrow color, so I'm going to do what I have. Now I am applying peach color corrector under my eyes to conceal the darkness. This one is really good because it's really easy to use. Now I'm applying concealer over the color corrector to get rid of dark circles. I'm using my favorite cushion by Moonshot in shade 301 and applying it everywhere. I'm not applying it on my neck because it is very cold and I don't even have a heater in my room. So I don't want to wash my neck after this. And Taeyeon has very clean and beautiful skin in MV. So I'm just going to copy it. Just please try to understand. I don't want to shiver at night. It's already late. My puff is all worn off. Now I'm going to use Note Cosmetics cream powder and applying it on areas where I don't want shine. You know, if you have big face like me, you have to cover the sides of your face and everything so it looks slimmer. It doesn't shine, you know. I am applying beige shadow on my entire eye. Taeyeon had a very subtle eye makeup which I am going to achieve or will try to achieve. With kohl pencil, I'm going to tightline my upper lash line only because she had very thin eyeliner. Now I'm going to take a matte peach shadow and apply it on my entire eyelid with flat brush. Now I'm taking more orange shade than the last one and applying it on outer corner of my eye. If you see Dear Me, you will see this shade on her outer corners. Now taking dark brown shadow, I'm going to apply it near my lash line as much as it's possible and then blend it little upwards in the peach shadow. Now I'm going to take a little wing out from the same shadow and will apply it near my lower lash line as well to give appearance of fuller lashes. Now I'm taking little line out with kohl pencil over the brown line we created previously to give liner effect like Taeyeon. Now taking a shimmery peach shadow, I'm applying it on my entire lid softly so my eye makeup glows like her when light hits it but still looks pretty matte. Now I'm applying a white gold shimmery shadow on my ichthyosac area. Now I'm going to use beige pencil, but before using it I will remove kohl from my waterline by its back side. Now I'm applying beige pencil in my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes really well as I will apply minimal mascara so my eyelashes look separate and natural like of Taeyeon. Now I'm applying mascara just to coat my lashes a little by it. As I have naturally long lashes, it can look a bit spidery if I apply too much mascara. Taeyeon had very beautiful, glossy, moisturized lips. So firstly, I am applying my favorite nude lipstick on my lips. Secondly, I'm using a peach lipstick with glossy finish to get exact color and effect. Now I'm going to contour my face. Now I'm applying very subtle peach color in middle of my cheeks. Taeyeon had flawless glass skin, so I'm going to mimic the effect by applying highlighter to my nose and lips. What do you think? Apart from matching eyebrow, I have done exactly the same look, or at least I have tried. I have worked really hard on this look. I started recording at 11 p.m. and I was already tired, and I'm already tired. It's almost 2 a.m. I'm just happy the way it turned out. Please keep supporting my work if you think that I deserve it. I will try to bring more interesting videos for you. Let me know your requests in the comments section if you have any, and please let me know your feedback as well because it means a lot.